Why are you barking at them? They're fabulous. What is going on? What?
We are trying to watch The Bachelor.
I honestly don't know what you want. Have they ever had like actual music playing on The Bachelor on like background?
No, not to my mind.
I don't wanna live without you. I have to know. Back to the scale thing, someone just told me you're not supposed to wear socks on a body fat percent scale, so makes me feel better. Give you an update on the percentage, but that was scary. Is Ari a closeted musical theater nerd? 24601? I just see that. Please tell me if I'm wrong. I see that and I just think Les Mis.
Leave me be.
He's so happy that Ari broke up with Kendall.
Yeah, I'm pretty psyched.
Last thoughts on The Bachelor before I go to bed. I have to wake up in like less than 6 hours for work. But I'm not tired. Becca's ex, I feel like if he actually meant everything he said, he would have shown up with a ring. Like, based off of her reactions, it seemed like he went out there because he was like, oh shit, she's gonna call me out on everything I fucking did wrong in our relationship because I'm an asshole. So I gotta go out there and be like, oh no, I'm so brokenhearted. People feel bad for me. Well,